Hi there, this is Armand with Plumbing Dudes performing a sewer main line inspection. Property located at 12940 Cammie Ln, Tarzana, California 91356. Today, June 2nd. We started inspection at 10 o'clock in the morning. And we pushed the camera about 110 feet from the cleanout located in the front of the house. This area right here is a community where they do have a shared main line that goes all the way out to the street. So check the records with the HOA over here and see if they had any issues with the complex main. But however, the pipe that we see ahead of us, water flowing through, that is the actual main from the complex that goes all the way out to the street, which collects water from all the units. So if it was a regular property, I would say that's the city line, and then the one we're sitting on right now, it's the actual house line. So check the regulations with the HOA and see as far as responsibility goes from the homeowners over here to the main. So we're going to go ahead and retract the camera and record. Sewer mainline material types is combination between ABS plastic and clay piping. The clay is original to the building, looks in excellent shape. We don't see any issues with the clay. We do have a little bit of build-ups in the pipe, which is extremely common. Just like any other drain pipes. At this point, the line does not really require any major service work. It's serviceable. Until issues rises up with the pipe, I don't think there is anything that needs to be done to this sewer main line right here. The pipe that we're running the camera through right now is the 6-inch in diameter. And then once we get to the 4-inch, that's when it turns into a plastic. So this right here is the connection between the 4-inch plastic and a clay. There's a little bit of an standing water in this area right here. It is common to see this issue right here, a connection between two different type of material pipes. It shouldn't be a major issue. Just resume using this or remain just the way it is. This is just a built up on the surface of the pipe, which is again a very common thing. So just to recap, we do have the sewer mainline material as a combination between ABS plastic and then clay piping. And then you just have minor build-ups in the pipe, which is very normal and common. And then the only other issue that we have, which is not really an issue at this point, just something to keep an eye on for future, if it rises up into a bigger issue, is a little bit of a flat section at the connection between the 4-inch ABS plastic and then the clay piping. And as I said, it's a pretty common when you have two different materials of piping connecting together. A lot of times it creates a flat surface. It held up a little bit of the water, but however there was no any solid waste being held in there, so that tells us that the line has been flowing properly. It just a little bit of no water sits in the bottom. So the amount of water, I would say it's about 1/4 inch, and it slowly drains away. Thank you.